If I have to use a single word for the US stock market recent performance, I would say impressive. S&P 500 sets a new record high in the last week. And this is not only the single record, but if you see in 2024, this is the longest winning streak for S&P 500. It was in fact bullish for 6 weeks in a row. If you look at the market sentiments, fear and greed index is currently at 75. What does it mean? It is in an extreme greed zone. So the price is a little overextended. Now the question always arises here is whether the correction will start, and if correction starts, will it be shallow correction or a deeper correction? So in this video, we'll undertake the comprehensive technical analysis of S&P 500. We'll try to explain the price action because underlying price action tells so many things. And if we can identify the rhythmic price action and understand the reason behind the loss of momentum in the market, we will be in a position that much better to do the prediction of S&P 500 for next possible price target. I am D K Sinha. I welcome you all on this channel for the US stock market weekly analysis that comes on this channel every Saturday, which helps us to prepare for the upcoming week. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell. Let's begin. Before we begin the technical analysis of S&P 500 index, I would like to inform you that every week before the market opens, in the weekend, we do the comprehensive analysis of Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, and Russell 2000 Index during our live streaming session, Market Pulse. Don't forget to join the live streaming session of Market Pulse. That will help you to even interact with me, ask for your favorite stocks for instant technical analysis during the live show. This is the weekly price chart. The index in the last week finally closed at 5,864.67, but it made an all-time high and a record high of 5,878.46. Can we see last 6 weeks? S&P 500 is continuously making higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure, and it is the longest bullish streak in the current calendar year 2020. Now, we have already discussed earlier this rounding bottom pattern which gave a breakout, and if we focus on this particular aspect and calculate the target on the basis of this rounding bottom pattern breakout, the targets finally is coming at around 6,500, 6,497, which is a 100% expansion level with respect to the rounding bottom chart. So ultimately, S&P 500 is preparing itself for a target of 6,500. Will it happen in a straight line? Of course not. It will make a higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure and then achieve the target. Now let us go to the daily price chart to understand the price action better. Now if you look at the daily price chart, in the recent time there was a sizable correction, but the price took support at SMA 144. This is 144 simple moving average. And then it formed the handle kind of pattern, gave a breakout over here. So it was a continuation chart pattern, which we know as cup and handle kind of chart. Then the price consolidated for several days, quite in proximity of EMA 21, exponential moving average 21 period, and then now there is some loss of upside momentum after making a record high. Can we find out the reason behind such loss of momentum? As I told you, the moment we can understand the rhythmic price action, then possibly we can better make a prediction for S&P 500. Now see, the last impulsive wave is this. And the price consolidated over here. So this can be termed as a bullish flag also. But if you do the expansion analysis of the wave, the last impulsive wave, if I do the projection using the Fibonacci expansion tool, it has attained the target of 127.2% expansion level. And hence, once this correction is over or consolidation is over, next possible target would be 6,000. It is coming around 6,004. So this is the next possible target. Can we find out some more ways to project the target of S&P 500? So look at this cup and handle kind of chart pattern. So if I use the Fibonacci expansion tool and project the target of this cup and handle kind of chart pattern, so according to this, the first target is coming at around 6,000, which is 61.8% expansion level. But considering the 100% expansion with respect to cup and handle kind of chart pattern, the next potential target could be to 6,227. These are the various kind of target that we arrived on the basis of the technical chart formation. Targets of any chart pattern is minimum expected objective. The best strategy in the stock market is to ride the trend and trail the stop loss. How this trend line can help us to trail the stop loss? Price has taken support here, price has taken support here. So it has only two touch points. What does it mean? It is an observational trend line and not the established trend line. But there is a great possibility, even if the price corrects, this trend line will act as an important demand area or a dynamic support. Now, where are the supports based on the price action? If you see, the price has taken multiple resistance over here and then gave a breakout of this bullish flag. So 5,750 is a good support area and yet another level where the price consolidated and took support over here is coming at 5,800. So based on the price action, the immediate support in S&P 500 is 5,750 to 5,800. This is the demand zone for S&P 500 index, which has a confluence of EMA 21 as well. Which means even if the correction takes place, it is likely to be shallow in nature. And then after the correction is over, because there is a loss of momentum. Can we see here the price rejection and the last trading session of the last week? There is a formation of an inside kind of bar and a spinning top, which indicates that the market is exhausted on upside move and immediate resistance could be 5,900, which is a almost proximity of the all-time high. Once the correction is over and trend resumption takes place, the next possible move could be to 6,000. If I summarize this week US stock market weekly analysis, the price action was found to be quite rhythmic. We could identify the reason for loss of momentum in S&P 500, which means the possibility is quite great that after this correction is over or consolidation completes, then trend resumption will take the price to 6,000 level. What is your opinion about S&P 500? Do offer your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.